صباح العام 91 يا وطن، كل عام وطني غالي بألف خير. I'm Saudi and so proud of being from this great nation with full trust and faith in this wise leadership. Happy National Day.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Saudi National Day. Saudi National Day is a day of celebration of unity and patriotism. Let's celebrate this day with great energy and glory. Happy Saudi National Day. With this thought, let's start our assembly by Surah. Myself, Aisha Shalfa, on behalf of our class first D and our class teacher Mrs. Chandravadhani, our Hindi teacher Mrs. Hajura, our Arabic teacher Mrs. Abira, our SUPW teachers Mrs. Aisha, our games teacher Mrs. Samira. Wish you all a very good afternoon. Let's begin our special assembly by reciting Surah. So, I call Ahmad Khan to recite Surah from Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ahmed. Let us pay homage to our motherland. So I call Mahwish to say our school pledge.
Everybody, please raise your right hand for our national pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich, varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall always respect my parents, teachers, classmates and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion and there will begin and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahwish. Let us hear the vision of our school by Johanna Sara Gigi.
Good afternoon, teachers and my friends. Our school vision. IES Jubel aims to be Institute of Excellence dedicated to producing good human beings and respectable global citizens. We serve to make humanity live. Thank you.
Thank you, Johanna. Now I call Misbah Fatima to sing our school song.
आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्म खुदाया मेरी आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी पूरे दुनिया का अंधेरा हो जाए, हर जगह मेरी चमकने से उजाला हो जाए। ओ मेरे दम से युकी मेरी वतन की जीनत, इस तरह फूल से होती चमन की जीनत। पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Ms. Ba. Now to continue our assembly, let us hear a thought for the day by Sayyid Rehan.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sayyid Rehan. I'm going to tell you that the rain begins with the. It is a quote by Manal al-Sharif. He is a famous activist. I repeat the thought for the day. The rain begins with a single drop. Thank you.
Thank you, Rehan. Now I call upon my friend Iram Afroz to tell us about the Saudi National Day.
Respected teacher and my dear friend. Hello, my name is Iram Afroz. I study in class 4D section. As we know, today is 23rd September and on National Non-Resident celebrate Cafe National Day. Every year, the anniversary of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia National Day comes to recall to mind the great historical event. Celebrating this day, we express our love and appreciation to this blessed land and to those who had the favor after Almighty Allah for our entire nation enjoy of stability and prosperity. The color green is a recurring theme in National Day. It is as this dominant color of the Saudi Arabia flag. It is an honor for me on this occasion to express my best congratulations to all national and expatriates. Thank you.
Thank you, Iram, for your informative speech. Now I would like to invite Arav to tell us more about Saudi National Day in Hindi.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम आरव यशभाई ठाकर है। मैं पहली कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं सऊदी राष्ट्र दिवस पे कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। सऊदी अरेबिया मध्य पूर्व से सबसे बड़ा देश है। सऊदी अरेबिया दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा तेल उत्पादक देश है। सऊदी अरेबिया के दो पवित्र इस्लाम है जगह, मक्का और मदीना। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Arav. Let us hear another thought for the day by Amir Hazem. Good afternoon, ma'am. A nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. I repeat, a nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. Happy Saudi National Day.
Thank you, Amir. Now let's enjoy a dance by Anvita Nirmal. Thank you, Anvita. Now another dance by Aiza. Thank you, Aiza. Now be ready for Saudi National Anthem by Vian Shivashankar. Here Good morning, and my dear friends. Today I am going to say Indian national, South Indian national anthem. Sarali al Muzdilalia, Muzdihiya for Sama. For Mayatni Alu el Musadradati Allah. Watnaya Mautani. Isuk Fakar ki Muslimi. All Shanmali. Ilaga all Watan. Thank you. Thank you, Vian. Be ready for Indian National Anthem by Sheikh Akhtar.
Please stand up for Indian National Anthem. Jana Gana Mana Dhinayak Jaya Hai Bharat Bhag Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Banga Bindu Himachal Jamuna Ganga Uchal Jaladi Taranga Tabo Shubho Name Jage Tabo Shubho Ashisho Mage Gahe Tabo Jaya Gatha Janagana Mangala Dayak Jaya Bharat Bhag Vidhata Jaya 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 hai. Thank you.
Thank you, Sheikh No. I hope you all enjoyed the assembly. I thank my teacher for giving me chance. Thank you. Once again, Happy Saudi National Day. Assembly dispersed. Bye. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Thank you, Aisha.
Ma'am.
Yes.
للمجد والعليا مجدي لخالق السماء وارفع الخفاق أفضل يحمل النور المصفر مجدي الله أكبر يا موطني مجد فخر المسلمين عاش الغني للعلم والوطن
Happy Saudi National Day.